What's up guys, it's Trevor here with Embers Living. Today I'm so excited because we finally have installed, we've been bragging about it for a long time, the world's most expensive gas grill, the Kalamazoo Gas Grill, fully accompanied with their entire outdoor kitchen that they set up. You can order everything through them. I'm gonna go through the outdoor kitchen, configurations, accessories they carry, and last but not least, I'm gonna dive in to this beast. We're going beast mode on this gas grill. Let's roll, baby. Don't forget, if you guys are in the Denver, Colorado area, we're one of the few spots where you can actually see Kalamazoo products on display. We don't have everything they sell, but a good chunk of it. Also, even if you're not local, we're one of 2 approved online dealers for Kalamazoo. So get a hold of us, we can help you out. Even if you're not interested in Kalamazoo and you're just interested in the urban Bonfire outdoor kitchens, and you're interested in another luxury product like Heston or Twin Eagles, Alfresco, whatever it is, we can help you with any of it. So give us a call, we'll help you out. All right, before I get started on the grill itself, I've already reviewed this grill, but I want to deep dive on it because it's even more impressive now that it's in our showroom. I've been able to get my hands on it a little bit. I wanted to start with the cabinetry. So the cabinetry is one of the biggest problems that we have as far as problem solving a solution in an outdoor space. A lot of times you need a contractor and they have to build a structure, and then you buy little insert storage doors that go in it. This is a great solution because they offer fully finished cabinetry and fully finished countertops. So it's like a complete setup. You just buy it all from them and it fits perfectly. Now, we have the Kalamazoo product in what's called the Bonfire Outdoor Kitchen Islands, which is all made by them. What's really cool about Bonfire is even if you're not a Kalamazoo client and you want the Bonfire outdoor kitchen, you can plug and play other manufacturers' grills and inserts within their kitchen, if that makes sense. But if you want exclusive Kalamazoo, Kalamazoo has their entire own cabinetry line too, a little bit higher end finishes, things like that as well. But the reason I like it is at my house, I have like a built-in structure and it doesn't utilize a ton of space. Like even the storage drawers you buy, they're really small. This like actually gives you a real kitchen feel. So like underneath the grill, we have access, to our gas line, things like that, soft close. That's not soft close. We have access to everything like that, but I think it just gives it like a really nice, like a true like kitchen feel and kitchen look. And then over here, I'll show you, this is actually like a hidden refrigerator. So their refrigerators are made by Perlick, which is the top of the line in the industry. They have drawer fridges as well as like door fridges as well, like your standard refrigeration. And then we can also do open cabinetry as well. So your flatware, things like that can sit in here. And then for example, here you can design it however you want. But we have trash pull out, so 2 trash cans, and then the hidden storage drawer as well. I really like this because it allows us a lot more functionality while also dresses up the entire look itself. So it's an absolute home run that we have this option for our high-end clients, even if you're not buying a Kalamazoo grill. All right, is it time to deep dive into the world's most expensive grill? I'm excited. Let's go, baby. All right, so first things first, this entire grill is 316 marine grade stainless steel. That's important to know because that's like one of the highest quality grades of stainless steel that you can get. So it's marine grade, it's meant to be by the ocean, it's the most durable, it's the most expensive from a raw material standpoint. So that's part of what makes this grill so expensive. Another thing that makes Kalamazoo so expensive is just the craftsmanship. Like if you look at these hand welded seam lines, they are absolutely flawless. Like it's like literally like a piece of art. These are all made and manufactured in Kalamazoo, Michigan. So it's all US made product. On top of that, if we really think about it, I've been selling these grills for like 15 years. We think about it from a manufacturing standpoint. I'm starting to understand manufacturers a little bit better. Manufacturers that can pump out 100, 200, 300 grills in a day, like their cost per grill is gonna go way down. So these guys, it takes them a full day to make one. So they're made to order. They you know, you basically are paying rent at a warehouse, utilities, labor, US labor. I mean, that all drives the price up. And then you have the price, extra price of actual raw materials. You can start to make sense. All right, I'm starting to understand why this is a little bit more expensive. So the craftsmanship itself, we're ready to get under the hood. So this is the 42-inch, it comes one size bigger. So of course, a grill this expensive better have interior lighting. So we got interior lights. We got a hidden rotisserie motor. So our rotisserie motor's hidden inside the grill itself. So it's a drivetrain motor. And then our spit rod sits right here. Now our warming rack, which is incredibly heavy, by the way. It's all laser cut grills, and it is adjustable, so it folds up out of the way. So that's pretty nice. You guys know I hate warming racks that I can't do anything with because there's nowhere to put them. So the fact that that folds away, I adore it. It's the best. And then of course, you guys know one of my favorite features is to have the rotisserie burner on the roof, because that allows a dual purpose. It's not just for rotisserieing. We can use it for broiling, things like that. So it serves a dual purpose. And then we have our laser cut grates. Again, these are reversible. Again, I don't even know how heavy these are, but like I could do curls. Like this is a full-blown workout. Like this is real deal. Like I don't need to go to the gym. My wife tells me to go to the gym. What I do instead is come here and just pick up grill parts out of this thing. That's how I get my workouts in. We're interrupting this video for a public service announcement. Literally right after I shot this video, like the next day, Kalamazoo sent me some product updates. So I'm here to talk to you about a few changes that they've made. So I mentioned in the video that this grill only comes in all 316 marine grade steel. Kalamazoo is trying to get more competitive and be closer to some of the other guys. So for people that don't need 316 marine grade, like us in Colorado where it's super dry, 304 is plenty adequate. So this grill also comes in 304 stainless steel now. So you can order either way. Now that does significantly lower the price. So you have that option as well. Another thing that they did to get the price down was these laser cut cooking grates are now an accessory. So you're gonna get just standard cooking grates out of the box, and then you can purchase these as an upgrade if you prefer the laser cut cooking grates. Back to the video. These are their flame tamers. And you guys know I'm not a big fan of ceramic briquettes, and I love these flame tamers. And honestly, like the gauge steel that these are is way overkill. It's completely unnecessary. But you need stuff that's unnecessary for a grill that's expensive. It's just the way it is. Now, to illustrate why this grill is so expensive, I thought we could weigh these, have a little fun. All right, so these are the flame tamers out of our $1,500 Napoleon grill. They take up the same amount of space as this. So I thought if we put these three together and weighed them, what are we at? So we're at 2 pounds, 15 ounces. All right. By comparison, let's see what this comes in at. Oh, I'm just kidding. All right, I don't even think it's gonna fit on the scale. All right, we're at 6 pounds, no, you can't have 17 ounces. That's more than a pound. So it's 6 pounds, 15 ounces. So that's just in your flame tamer. It's critical to the grill. It helps so much with flare-ups, it's not even funny. So we flip these around. We'll give you close-ups of their U-shaped burners. These promote even, oh, here we go. Now we're talking. So here's their burners. All right, again, very heavy duty. And they're just gonna sit under here like this. But really, I think there's a few pieces of magic with this grill that are really, you don't really understand how good of a feature it is unless it's explained. The average user will never see this or notice it. So one of the ways that we promote really even heat is the further away our burners are from our cooking grates, the more even heat and less flare-ups we're gonna have. Two problems with that. One, the further away our burner gets, the cooler it's gonna be. So we need really powerful hot burners. But if we have powerful hot burners right here, that's gonna be a problem. That's called flare-up city. That's what I call that. But we get them too low. The problem is manufacturers don't build grills that big because of the cost of raw materials. Kalamazoo says, I don't care, we're just gonna build the best grill, and whatever it costs, it costs. So what they did is they built a really deep firebox. All right, you with me so far? So it sits down deeper. They took it one step further. What do you notice, Torrin? Is this flush with the countertops? No, so it actually sits up, and they bought another few inches here. So most grills are gonna sit flush with your countertop, almost all of them. This one does not. So we bought a few more inches, which helps promote even more heat, even heat, which helps this grill perform even better. All right, last but not least, certainly this is important. Let's talk drip trays. Oh, I forgot to talk about igniters. So it has hot surface igniters, and you can see when the burners are on, we get that lighting inclination, and there's little cues for what burners. So there's 3 main burners and then a rotisserie burner as well. Our drip tray in here, this is what I wanted to talk about as the most important. It's actually not that important, but I wanted to illustrate the point of how these guys do not spare any expenses. So normally in our grease trap, every other grill brand, even grills that sell $10,000 grills, let me show you. This is the drip tray liner you get in every other grill. Look at that. I mean, what is that? This, I can't. This is commercial grade jelly roll pan. I don't think it's named after the singer though. But this is commercial grade, US made, heavy duty. So these are gonna last. So you can clean these. You could put one of those pieces of junk inside of here if you want to keep your jelly roll pans nice. What I'm getting at is they're not sparing expenses to save $1. Every manufacturer does it. These guys do not. That's part of what you're paying for, is there's no corners cut at all. And I think it's really cool if you can afford it, of course. They're just building the best product, and whatever the price ends up being is what the price ends up being. So there is like a luxury element to that, and they understand that they're not going after mass market. They're not going after, to sell, I don't know, 5,000 units a quarter or whatever it is, because they can only make so many. So the whole principle behind it is what keeps the quality so good. And of course, it's a lifetime warranty on this grill. This is the Kalamazoo products. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. It's ridiculously priced. You tell me, is it ridiculously worth it?